Hello everyone, in front of me is the Redmi A1 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this phone. At first, you have to open your phone gallery. And now once you're in keypad, let's start with the first code, which is *##* 426 ***. And as you can see, this code would open FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can read events and also status. So just pick the option that you want to check, and then whenever you want to get some more advanced info, tap on more and click on advanced info. So here more curious guys would be able to get the knowledge. So yeah, that's all for this one. Let's go back. Another one is ***** 225 ****. And as you can see here, you can check your calendar info. So all dates, celebrations, like important events, whatever you have included in all your calendars will be displayed right here. So that's it. That's all for this code. And another one that you can use is *****. Actually, just *##06#. And as you can see, this one would provide you with device information with both IMEI numbers and also serial number assigned to your device. And that's it to exit. Just tap on OK. And these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.